everyone, it's Marky. Let's talk about this Aureday ring light tripod. I bought this for work and it has been so amazing. I loved it so much. It has so many cool little features. The ring light is detachable. I prefer to keep it on because you can use it with or without and it just stays on there. But if you don't want it on, you can just have it with this, which is the part that holds your phone. This does adjust, so this will hold most phones. Android, iPhone, whatever you have, it should hold just fine. It can twist, so if you're wanting to film more in the portrait mode, the up and down instead of horizontal, it's really versatile that way. The ring light itself, it does have 5 different shade settings. So there's like a really bright white one, there's like a warmer one, there's one that has kind of a violet hue to it. So whatever lighting is going to be best for your setting that you're filming in. And then it also adjusts the brightness and the dimness. So if you don't want it super bright, you just want a little bit, you can adjust it really easy. It comes with a remote. So if you are in the middle of filming or you're in the middle of doing something and you want to do it, you don't want to have to get up and change it. It does come with a little remote. It has so many different heights. It goes up to 62 inches. So these little things right here, you just open them up and each one adjusts. So I will show you what this looks like set all the way up just so you can kind of get a gauge on how big the size is. It is lightweight, but it's still really sturdy. It has held up great. My kids dropped this off my counter yesterday and it didn't do anything to it. It was still just fine. So yeah, it's perfect for counter height. If you want it full height and you need it to get something that's a little bit farther away in the distance, it's perfect for that. I have just totally loved it. So give me 1 second and I will show you what it looks like all set up to its highest height. Okay, so now that you have seen what it looks like at its full height, what it looks like standing up all the way, I hope this was helpful. So thank you.